Himanshu says, like, I'm always thinking about my health, that I may get ill. Like, if I have a headache, I search Google for everything, even just a simple headache. Oh, okay, okay. So that would be like a fear of death. I have that as well. And I used to have it, and I used to fear such things, and I still do. I still get a headache and like, why am I having this headache? Or my joints hurt, or why are my joints hurting? Or I sneezed and coughed 10 times. What's the problem? So the way that I resolve it is that I look at things in my vicinity. So if I have a headache, which is a rare occurrence, I look at a few things. Have I been hydrating myself with quality water, not tap water? So have I been hydrating myself? Have I been having a lot of fresh air, like outside forest air, or mountain air, or lake or ocean air? How is my apartment looking like? Is it dusty? Is there clutter? What have I been eating? Have I been eating a lot of mucus forming foods that get stuck in the sinuses and then ta-da? Have I been eating a lot of salt that also gets stuck in the body? Have I been looking at the screen a lot? Is it because of my eyes? Am I, like, anytime that I think about something wrong with my health, I backtrack and look at all the things that I've been doing, and then I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid because I know the reason for it, and I know that if I remove the reason, remove the cause, then my head's not gonna hurt anymore. Everything health related is your fault. It's your habits. So if you wanna, so your question is not overthinking, your question is, how can I take responsibility for my health? I think is by taking responsibility for your health. I know it might sound harsh, but if you are afraid of headaches and you don't want to have headaches, stop doing things that cause you headaches. And then you're not going to be afraid. And you're going to have the power, because you know you have the power to change your health. And power and fear are two different things, two opposite things. If you are afraid, it means you don't have power. But if you have power, you're not afraid. So every time you're afraid for your health, just think, what can I do to prevent headaches tomorrow? What can I do to not have pain in my spine? It's to move today, to exercise today. What can I do to have better bowel movements, to have better breathing, to not have pain in whatever? There is ways. And when you do things for yourself, you remove the fear, because you feel like you control your own life. And that could be a good thing for overthinking in general. Whenever you are overthinking, you are underdoing. So whenever you are too much in your head, just do something. Just get up and do anything. Just get some energy moving. Exercise, clean your room, go for a walk, write things down. Just anything that's not purely imaginary. Just do something physical and move. That's how you stop overthinking. And most of the time, moving is good for your health anyway, so that's kind of two birds with one stone right there.